What is the internet? How does it connect billions of people, devices, and information across the world? And how did something invisible become the backbone of our modern lives? Today, we're unraveling the story of the internet, what it is, how it works, and why it changed everything. Welcome to Unravel, Technology and Innovation. In this channel, we simplify the world of technology, science, and innovation, so you can understand how it all works, no matter your background. Let's start with a simple question. What is the internet? At its core, the internet is a massive, interconnected network of computers and servers that communicate with each other using a common language called protocols. It's like a giant web that links billions of devices across the world, allowing them to share information in real time. But the internet isn't a single machine or a place. It's a global system, spread out over millions of miles of cables, routers, satellites, and wireless networks. Think of it like a massive transportation system for information, where your messages, videos, searches, and photos are all passengers traveling to their destinations. But how did it all begin? The internet traces its roots back to the 1960s, during the Cold War. The U.S. Department of Defense wanted a way to maintain communication even if parts of the telephone network were destroyed. Their solution was ARPANET, a small network connecting research institutions, allowing them to share information quickly and securely. The very first internet message was sent in 1969 from a UCLA computer to one at Stanford. The message was supposed to say login, but the system crashed after just 2 letters, LO. A shaky start, but a revolutionary idea was born. Throughout the 1970s and 1980s, more networks were built, and scientists developed a common set of rules called TCP/IP that allowed all computers to talk to each other. In the early 1990s, a British computer scientist named Tim Berners-Lee invented something new, the World Wide Web. The web made it easy to create websites and move from page to page using hyperlinks. Suddenly, the internet wasn't just for scientists and universities. It became open to everyone. The first browsers, like Mosaic and Netscape, brought the web to personal computers. Soon after, email, chat rooms, online shopping, and digital news exploded into everyday life. In the early days, internet access was slow and noisy. Remember dial-up modems screeching through the phone line? But technology moved fast. Broadband connections replaced dial-up. Wi-Fi made internet access wireless. Smartphones put the internet into our pockets. Today, the internet connects more than 5 billion people and billions more devices, sensors, and machines. It powers email, video streaming, social media, online banking, education, healthcare, transportation systems, and global commerce. But how does it actually work? When you send a message, stream a movie, or visit a website, your device chops the information into tiny pieces called data packets. Each packet travels across a network, taking the fastest available route to its destination. Imagine each packet like a postcard, traveling separately, hopping through routers, servers, and fiber optic cables, then being reassembled perfectly when they arrive. Undersea fiber optic cables carry data across oceans. Cell towers beam signals wirelessly across cities. Satellites extend the internet to remote mountains, deserts, and oceans. All of this happens in milliseconds, creating the seamless experience we take for granted. The internet isn't just a network of machines. It's a network of people, ideas, cultures, and opportunities. It connects families across continents. It gives students access to education from anywhere. It empowers startups to reach global markets overnight. It helps communities organize, share knowledge, and build new futures. Without the internet, many parts of modern life would simply not exist. Of course, like any powerful tool, the internet brings challenges. Data privacy is a growing concern. How much information we share without realizing it. Cybersecurity threats can expose sensitive data or disrupt critical services. Misinformation can spread quickly, influencing public opinion and elections. And there remains a digital divide, where billions still lack reliable, affordable internet access. Managing these challenges responsibly is one of the great tasks of our time. Looking to the future, the internet will continue to evolve. 5G networks are unlocking faster, more reliable mobile connections. Satellite constellations are expanding access to remote areas. Artificial intelligence is automating everything from search engines to customer service. The Internet of Things, IoT, is connecting everyday objects like cars, appliances, and even clothing to the web. And new ideas like decentralized web services, quantum networking, and immersive virtual worlds could reshape how we experience the internet again. The internet isn't static. It's a living, growing system, driven by human curiosity, creativity, and collaboration. It's one of humanity's greatest inventions and one of its greatest responsibilities. Have a topic you're curious about? Let us know in the comments and hit subscribe so you don't miss what's next. As we continue to unravel the world of technology and innovation, one concept at a time.